Hi, my name is Attorney Walter with Knowledge III. We're doing question 119 of the top 200 Social Security disability questions you're likely to run into at your Social Security disability hearing, whether for SSI or SSDI benefits. Let's roll into it. 119. How many hits or injections of narcotics do you take a month? Now look, if you're this knee deep, they are almost certainly not going to approve your claim. And that is because the drugs are likely material in causing your impairments, such as, for example, depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, panic attacks, things like that. Those things are enhanced to the point of you not being able to work based upon your drug use. Okay? No, they're not. My drugs, my crack cocaine really helps me. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. That's not for me to answer. I'm not a judge. But the bottom line is they usually say it is material to your impairments. Okay? But I use it because my pain medication couldn't do what it needed to do anymore. It's material to your impairments. All right. We're going to go on to question 120. Now, here's the deal. If you have a question, shoot me an email, give me a call. Also, my brain's turning off because it's late. Also, if you want to catch up with me, 8 to 10 every Thursday live on YouTube, Eastern Standard Time, 8 to 10 p.m., you can go ahead and ask me whatever questions you want. All right, you can even call me and I'll put it on the live thing. We'll go through it all. Remember, like, subscribe, and please leave 5 stars at places like Google, Better Business Bureau, Avo, because they help me prove that we provide a quality product and we help a lot of people. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll catch up from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.